Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. After 2 weeks of declines, petrol prices will go up tomorrow. 87 and 90 gasoline will be increased by $2.66 per litre. Automotive diesel will also go up by $1.80, while ultra-low sulfur diesel will see its price hiked by $1.63. Kerosene will have $1.75 added to its price. Meanwhile, propane and butane will both be increased. Propane up by $1.28 and butane $2.20 per litre. For the first time in 7 years, the JCC Business and Consumer Confidence Report recorded a slight decline in consumer optimism. The JCC says the dip is associated with the perception of business conditions and expectations for jobs in the future. Over the last 2 years, the report has shown that both business and consumer confidence have improved. Business optimism has also recorded a significant decline. Nonetheless, businesses remain positive that their financial position will change. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $138.37, the Canadian dollar $104.80. The pound sterling is costing $175.84, while the euro is going for $153.29. In today's trading session, the JSE index advanced by 168 points, while the junior market index gained 4 points. The main winners were Jamaica Producers, Knutsford Express, iCreate, Lasca Financial Services, and SSL Venture Capital. The losers were led by Siboney, Stationery and Office Supplies, Salada Foods, AMG Packaging and Paper, as well as the JMMB Group. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.